Hi guys, welcome to Techie Insights. Today's episode of Weekend Tech News is all about few new products. So without getting late, let's get first started with overview. OnePlus will unveil its Android 11 based Hydrogen OS on 10th of August. Oxygen OS and Hydrogen OS are different software skins and user experience from OnePlus. While Oxygen OS serves the needs of international users, Hydrogen OS serves the needs of users in China. Now OnePlus has decided to merge the code base for Oxygen OS and Hydrogen OS with a view of providing quick software updates for its user base. The new features would probably include a redesigned weather app and always on display. Always on display is the most feature requested from its users. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked virtual event is all about presentation of latest Galaxy devices. Here is a list of premium products Samsung unveiled. If you are one among those who doesn't have a OnePlus mobile but likes OnePlus App Connect feature on OnePlus platforms, for you here is the good news. Google has introduced a new feature, Cast Connect, to make casting on Android TVs more native with support for remote controls and other app features. It allows Android, iOS and Chrome apps to directly cast their counterpart TV application. As a result, instead of only being able to control playback from phone, we can now use remote of our TV or streaming device. As a fast reaction to Indian government's ban on Chinese apps, Xiaomi Indian head has posted a statement in Twitter on Friday announcing that company is complying with the ban. Chinese smartphone maker Xiaomi, which leads the Indian smartphone market in terms of sales, is developing a new version of its MI user interface. This new version of user interface will be built without pre-installation of any of the blocked apps on Xiaomi phones launched in India. After months of rumors and reports, finally Sony has introduced wireless noise-cancelling headphones, priced at $350. Experience the next level of silence with noise-cancelling headphones with advanced technology such as adaptive sound control to cut the noise and convenience of smart features including quick attention, voice assistance and touch controls.
Noise cancelling.
The Sony WH-1000 XM4 is powered by QN1 noise-cancelling processor. There are also gesture controls on other part of the headphones, along with features such as adaptive sound controls, wear detection and battery life over 30 hours per charge with active noise cancellation on.
So, thank you.
Feels like a
Apart from this, it can be controlled and customized through Sony Headphones Connect app. Available for Android and iOS. This app allows users to customize the noise cancellation setup, adaptive sound controls and adjust the other settings such as equalizer and sound modes. Interestingly, there is also multi-point connectivity on Sony's WH-1000 XM4, letting users to connect headphones to two source devices simultaneously, as well as support for Google Assistant and Alexa. Sony is expected to launch the flagship headphones in India in September 2020.
want to accelerate.